Welcome to my ship card assembly. I created the card using shapes, text, and images in Cricut Design Space. The materials I used were a Cricut mat, Cricut pens, cardstock scraps, glue, foam tape, and a 5x7 card base and envelope. I started by adding the sentiment tag in the top right corner of my 5x7 card. And then off camera, I made a very light pencil mark where I wanted to put the boat. Off camera, I attached the two ocean pieces together with foam tape. Then I used additional foam tape to add the waves to the card. Now I'm ready to give it to my son-in-law for his birthday.